everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you want to build a chatbot and deploy it in your website? Your own website and your own chatbot. It's interesting now. So today we will discuss on it. This is a course on Coursera which I am pursuing and you can also do that. The course named Building AI Powered Chatbots Without Programming. There's a 4-week course as you can see, and I was just doing it deploy your chatbot to your website. And there's a website which I have created a flower shop. There's a flower shop chatbot assistant which I have created by training Watson, and this IBM Watson assistant which is being trained for my flower shop. It's just for education purpose. When you click on the Coursera course and you pursue it, you will also be able to do this, and you will learn how to build a chatbot. And see, after training this chatbot, it has come here, and see, when I writing it, it is just responding me so easily. It's not just robotic, it's just a human like. And see, hi there, how can I help you? The chatbot is responding to me, and then I am asking what are the opening hours, as you can see. And this very interesting, and you will gain many things, and you will just love it. This course is very interesting and very informative. And see, as you can see, I am just asking and the chatbot is replying based on this flower shop. This is just a demo. Oh, and whatever you ask as per the training, it will answer to your question. I will put my chatbot link in the description box, and you can check it how it works based on my training which I have did, and I hope you will enjoy it. And the most important thing which you must know is that before pursuing this course, you must pursue the main part of this courses. The main part of this course is IBM Applied AI Professional Certificate course. As you can see here, just this is a course offering the 4 part, or it contains 6 courses. As you can see, 6 courses in this professional certificate course, and it is not free. As you can see, here is written enroll for free. It starts August 31, but it's not free. It's paid. It's a 7-day trial, but I have made a video, as you can see here. Just go for it and watch the video how to get a course in Coursera for free, a paid course, and just have fun. And I assure you that you will surely love this course and enjoy it and learn many things from it. Building AI powered chatbot course is the third course of the part of this full professional certificate course. So I recommend you to first complete the first 2 courses and then come here serially, and you will get it. All links will be provided in the description. Just go and check it out and have fun. So that's all for today. I hope you liked it. Thank you.